Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're here for a new video, and today here's a tutorial on how to achieve this Y2k inspired makeup look. My fingers are dirty, that means the makeup is ready. So let's get right into it. Skin prep. If you think there's enough moisturizer, you are probably wrong. Add some more. You're gonna take a single roll of toilet paper and you're gonna dab it under your eye, dab it on your T-zone, on this part, because these parts tend to be really sweaty and makeup don't stick to them when they're sweaty like this. JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, fuck them, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. I'm gonna take the mirror. I'm trying to make them look smaller, but it seems like I'm failing. When I say smaller, I don't mean teeny tiny either. And I only use like drugstore products, so I'm not expecting a Charlotte Tilbury result, but I'm still expecting something. So weirdly enough, people always compliment my makeup. Meanwhile, I'm still learning and I still think I suck. But people ask me, how do you do makeup? Do you do makeup yourself? It looks so good. I guess I can show y'all how I do it. I want you on my team. So does everybody else. Oh my god, Nelly Furtado ate with that line. I'm listening to a Y2k playlist to put myself in the mood. And it definitely worked because now I feel like I'm about to go to the club and I'm just chatting with my besties. And I'm happy about that. It's really therapeutic for me. It's really therapeutic because there's a lot going on, especially in my country right now. That's why I'm not regular, because I'm not stable. Because my country is very difficult. I live in Haiti, by the way. Haitian queen represents. All the time a lot of people ask me, if you live in a French-speaking country in the Caribbean, how do you speak English so well on the internet? I will never think the internet enough for teaching me how to speak English. I have a lot of concealer on my face right now, but you will understand why. Because I barely wear foundation these days. And I have 2 shades of concealer and they are my ride or die. This is a secret, right? You put a little bit of lotion on there and your makeup is like fantastic and hydrating. Everything. Your makeup becomes everything. Both of these products are from Juvia's Place. As the powder, as you can see, it's almost over because I've used so much of it. I really love it, and my dream is to one day collab with Juvia's Place. They're literally my favorite brand, and they're black owned and women owned. Like, how can you not say cunt? Because after the concealer, which is really, I don't want to say it's really light, but it's really light for my face. And if I leave it as is, I'm gonna look dull, soulless, dead inside, Ellen DeGeneres, and all of the above. So tell me in a comment, what is your zodiac sign? Because I'm really obsessed with astrology and I really love it. And please comment something. Back to the regular program. I'm gonna put a tiny dot of foundation. Since my foundation is almost done, I think it's enough. I'm gonna apply it over here on the lower parts of my face. They need extra care and attention since they're pretty problematic. Blending it and reapply it to my face. I'm just getting cakey, but we're going somewhere. I can see the potential. So this right here is a Revlon. I need to show you this. Who that in a bag? Guys, I am so unserious. So I'm applying 2 dots of it. Keeping on blending. Top. I advise you to put a lot more since it's not really visible. I'm using this palette called The Chocolates from Juvia's Place, and I'm using this shade. I don't know how it's called, but it's the shade. I will apply a little bit. It literally acts like a filter for your eye. Every time I use it, I'm like, are you sure this is not a powder? Because it looks like one. It's so fine. Look at that. It's pretty. We are taking my black opal powder. I don't know what shade is it, or if they even got a shade, but I'm just taking it and using it as a bronzer to add more color and not texture. What's the word? Dimension to the face. I'm using it on the parts where I'm applying this concealer because I think this is a foundation stick. I take a fluffy brush just like this and I just dip in there and I'm applying some right here. I don't really need to contour my nose. I just don't like when my nose is not dimension. As you can see, it's still the same. It doesn't change the shape of my nose. My nose is pretty. And yours is too. First, take a very deep brown color. I'm crying. And I want to thank all of you guys who followed me, who helped me reach 100,000 subscribers. So grateful for all of you. Thank you so much for letting me have that silver plate. This means so much to me. Manifesting. I'm gonna take the lightest brown color I have, which is this one. Ooh. I'm going to apply a little blue and add a little more. Are we gonna not play with those? Let me swatch gold. This is dope. So I'm gonna use bowls. Why nobody told me? Why nobody told me I was doing boring brown looks? Why nobody told me? On this? It's for the people with internalized racism telling me that, oh, it's too pigmented, oh, this or that. Shut up. Because I can count on my fingers how many makeup brands before Fenty Beauty released those foundation shades and concealers that used to pop on black skin, on dark skin, on tan skin.
Just know that in the early 2000s, if it wasn't like a really deep color or a shimmery color, it really would look very ashy on dark skins and sometimes even cakey and ugly. So yeah.
I have a certain type of cat eye. Can we admire the amount of cunt that I'm serving right now? So I'm putting a little bit of brown just to make it pop a little more. I'm going to add a little bit of this. Let me see green. Hold on. What if I put a little bit of green in the corner of my eye? What if I put a little bit of green? I suck at eyeshadow.
Ladies and gentlemen, her.